You want Zepeto outfit? I will teach you. But don't forget to like, follow. Okay? Okay. Ito na. Punta tayo sa avatar guys. Avatar. Ayan kasi naka-bacon. Customize tayo. Customize. Head and body. Head and body guys. Head and body. Head and body. Ayan. And torsos, click this, Roblox boy. Yan. Left arm, click this. Yan. The right arm, okay. And legs, and ganun pa rin guys. Ito din. Ito guys yan build. Ito. Pagano mo. And go Brookhaven to design your Zepeto. Pero sorry guys, mag-upload ako kung paano mag-design. Okay? Mag-plan lang guys. Yan. Kung may delta kayo guys, pwede yung dagdagan yung hapin. Kung may delta kayo guys, pwede yung dagdagan yung hapin. Search nyo guys. Head ID avatar. May search guys. Tapos, natin nyo to. Head ID avatar. Area card. Hanggang dito na guys. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para mag-comment lang kayo kung gusto nyo ng part 2 at paano mag-design.